I'm getting my allergy testing done. I haven't had any antihistamines for a week now, which is crazy because I'm allergic to so many things. So part of what I did was I spent a lot of time up north in San Francisco, and that way I wouldn't be as irritated this whole week, and I wouldn't be reacting to everything, and I wouldn't be scared, because honestly, like, when your throat starts to close up, you really don't want to mess up your allergy testing and have to postpone it, but it's scary. So my throat is definitely bugging me today because I'm back in LA and had no antihistamines, but we're gonna get this testing done and see what I'm most allergic to these days.
We're testing you for all food and all inhalants, okay? All grasses, trees, and everything, okay? Yeah. How long ago did you get that done?
Like 15 years.
Yeah.
It's been a long time.
Yeah. I'll get started, okay?
Okay. Oh, tickles.
Were you allergic to anything then?
Literally everything.
Really?
Yeah. My immune system was compromised for a long time.
Oh, I see.
Oh my god, they already itch.
Really? Yeah, it's gonna itch right now, but it should go down.
Yeah, hopefully.
There you go. 20 minutes, okay? No touching or scratching. I'll be back, okay?
Okay. It's so itchy. Oh my god, it itches so bad. This is the worst part. I can't take this. I can't do anything to make it stop itching. At least I can take Benadryl right when this is done. Oh my god, this sucks. It's getting worse. Guys, this is so uncomfortable.
Yes, there's definitely some allergies there. Alright, I'll be back, okay?
Okay. Well, at least she didn't scream like the nurse did last time I had this done. So I reacted to all the environmental ones?
Yeah, pretty much, yes, all of it. Just except mold.
Oh, that's surprising.
Yeah.
Well, at least there's that.
Yeah. You reacted, well, in cat, you reacted to dog and horse, trees and pollen, and dust mites. Thank you. You're welcome.
thought we were done. We weren't done. I think we were supposed to be done, but they wanted more. I'm not panicking. You're panicking. Oh, this one's not so bad. Ew, what is that one?
Beef, which you don't eat. Chicken, which you don't eat. Codfish, you don't eat fish either?
Thank you. I do eat fish, but I don't care for cod, so that's
Yeah,
fine.
but the codfish cross-reacts with a lot of other fish.
Oh,
That's
does
why
it?
we choose that one.
Okay, so which
Because-
ones should I keep an eye out for?
Well, you, let's see, tuna. I'll have to look that up. Flaxseed, milk, oat, rice, and soy and wheat. Okay, so the dust mites live in everybody's house. They're in the mattress, the pillow, the carpet padding, they're in the upholstered furniture, and I see you already have mite encasings on everything.
Yeah.
And then, of course, the most important thing is your bed. For pollens, I recommend you sleep with your windows closed, drive with your car windows rolled up, and if you're out on a day when there's a lot of pollen in the air, you should wash your hair when you come home to wash the pollen out of your hair so you're not sleeping with that on your pillow at night.
Okay.
Vegetables, and I thought you might want a full panel of additional fruits and vegetables.
Yeah, that might be good.
So we could schedule that.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, on the bright side, overall, my allergies are a lot better than they used to be. So, I have to go back for more allergy testing, which is a big pain in the ass because that means I have to go for another 5 days without antihistamines, and I can't just tack it on to today because they gave me an antihistamine in the office to, you know, stop the horrendous itching that I'm experiencing. But they have to test me for all of these additional food allergies, and they've already given me so many other things that I am highly allergic to that they didn't want to do that today. I think the most discouraging part of all this is that when you have food allergies, people treat you differently. They treat you like you're a burden, usually. And it sucks being this high maintenance through absolutely no fault of my own. Just be glad that I'm getting the testing done, and that way I can more actively avoid the things that I'm most allergic to now and make it better. So I think that's it. I think that's where I'm going to end this vlog. I'm going to do more testing probably next week or the week after and see where we go from there. But as it stands, it looks like I'm allergic to pretty much every animal product and literally every single environmental allergen, except for mold. There's always a bright side, right?